Since the COVID-19 virus crisis commenced, many Cook Islanders have been planting vegetable gardens. The Turbinaria Society have some good ideas for home gardeners. It's called a keyhole garden, which utilises compost in the centre of a round garden to fertilise the plants.
Kia ora everyone. Thank you to CITV for dropping into the Turbinaria Society to witness our inaugural seaweed compost that we have been brewing in this bucket for probably a good 6 to 8 weeks. This is all part of a little trial and error project that we're doing to see what the benefits are of our washed up seaweed that we have on our shores and how we can better utilize that into compost or fertilizer for our gardens. The particular type of seaweed we have in here is a Turbinaria. We think maybe, there probably is better seaweed options out there, like the Boodlia, which is that highlighted green candy floss looking seaweed that you sometimes see on the shores. I have heard that some other home gardeners have trialled that, and it's been doing wonders for their gardens. So that will probably be next on our list for seaweeds to test out for our keyhole garden that you see behind us right here. It has quite a strong smell to it, so it's definitely done the trick in terms of decomposing, and I'm sure the plants will actually love that. So the process, you basically collect up any washed up seaweed on the shores, put it into a container, and we've rinsed it through with fresh water, and then let it sit in fresh water for that 6 to 8 week period. So yeah, basically just keep the lid on it for the next 6 to 8 weeks, let everything just break down nice and slow, and then trial it on your gardens like what we are doing right here. Yep, add it to your compost heap. I guess just a bit more in our keyhole garden at the back here. We've rejuvenated this system thanks to agriculture's home garden scheme, which they've introduced, and getting all our home gardeners enthusiastic about planting again at home. So we were excited to get this little system going here. And what's quite neat about this is that it has a compost system in the middle, and the whole idea is that all the organic material that we put in the centre then distributes its way out towards the edges of this rock wall garden that you see there. So the whole idea behind the keyhole garden is it's made in a circular shape as so, and in the centre of it there's a composting system where all your organic material goes into the centre of it, and then breaks down and turns into compost, and the nutrients from that decomposing matter then just gets funneled out towards the edges of this rock wall system that you see here. So it's sort of like a two-in-one, I guess. It's a garden and a composter at the same time. And yeah, in the centre you can put all your grass cuttings, hedge cuttings, but try to mix it up with some vegetable scraps, fruit scraps as well, to and now seaweed, which we are trialling.